So now that we figured out how much we're paying every month, we can then figure out how much we owe in interest, or we're going to pay over the course of the loan in interest. Now, this is currently coming out as a negative number, but as I calculate things, that's going to make things a little bit complicated. So it might be better if we turn this into a positive number. So I'm going to go up into the formula bar here where it shows me the function. How would I take this and turn it into a positive number? How do you take a negative and turn it into a positive? Well, there seems to be some form of calculation that's occurring to make this a negative. If I make one of the numbers negative in the equation or in the function, it might turn it into a positive. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my loan amount and I'm going to click right before it in between the comma and the loan amount, and I'm going to put a negative sign or a minus sign to turn it into a negative number, which then turns my monthly payment when I hit enter into a positive number. So we're turning that into a positive number. Now, I want you to think about what the total cost is going to be of your car real quick. And we're going to name this real quick. We're going to go to D3 and we're going to name this monthly payment up here in the name box. So monthly payment. Okay. Total cost. Let's think about it. Equal sign total cost. Okay. So I know I'm paying $163.73. How often am I paying that? Well, I'm paying it monthly. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to multiply it by 12 because I'm paying it 12 times a year. Then I am going to go ahead and take that and multiply it by the number of years I'm going to pay it for. So I'm paying it monthly for how long? Paying it monthly for 5 years. So I'm going to multiply that by the number of years. So monthly payment times 12 times years. Okay. So let's hit enter. We're paying $9,023. Is that the total cost of the loan or the car? This is the question, right? Okay, so if we think about it, this is the total cost of the loan. So I'm going to adjust this from total cost to total loan cost because this is how much I'm paying towards the loan. The monthly payment only goes towards the loan. It doesn't go towards the car. Did I pay anything out besides this $163.73 for 5 years, 12 months out of the year? I did. Think about it. When you went and bought the car, if you're thinking about this, if we went and bought the car, what did you have to bring up front? You had to bring $1,000, right? So you've got a cost of the loan, and then you've got a down payment of $1,000. So this did not cost you $9,823. It cost you $10,823. Think about that. Okay, and we'll calculate that in a moment. But now I figured out how much I have in interest, if you think about it, because the loan cost me $9,823 because I paid $163.73 for 12 months for 5 years. So now, how much did I pay in interest? I want you to first, let's go here and let's name this total loan cost, and then let's go ahead and calculate that interest. So pause the video here and see if you can calculate how much did we pay the bank in interest. All right, so equal sign. I paid $9,823.42 or 54 cents, whatever the number is, out, right? What did the loan cost me originally? What did I originally borrow? I originally borrowed, I'm going to minus out $9,000. This will tell me how much I paid in interest, because if I paid $9,823.54 and I only borrowed $9,000, that means I have $823.54 left over that I paid out in interest. That's how much I got charged. That's how much the bank charged me. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to name this total interest. Okay, last calculation. Ready? What is the total cost? What did it actually cost me? Calculate that. Pause it. See if you can do it. All right, so the car cost me how much I got in a loan plus interest, right? Plus how much I brought to the table, down payment. So overall, this car cost me $10,823 when the original price was $10,000. Okay, some quick stuff. I'm going to take this, I'm going to format it as money. So I'm going to go to the Home tab and use the dollar sign to format that as money. Same thing here for monthly payment through total loan cost and my total cost here. I'm also going to add in a title real quick. So I'm going to put a row up at the top, insert that, go ahead and put loan calculator. across and give it a title. And I'm going to highlight this total cost to make it stand out so I know what it is. And then I can also highlight my original price so that way I know what it originally cost me. Give a little bit of space and we're looking good.